Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 3. We will present the material about strategy implementation. Okay, next. And next is the first material about strategic marketing issues. The first issues is advertisement, more interactive to be more effective. The second one is take advantage of FB and Twitter about the company and industry. The third one is use exclusive dealership or multiple channels distributions. Next one, use advertising, limit or not share of business done with single customer to be a first leader or follower, offer a complete or limited warranty, and the last one is reward salespeople. Next, there are three important marketing activity. The first activity is engage customer in social media. The second one is segment markets effectively, and the last activity is develop and use product positioning and or personal maps. Next, the new principle of marketing. The first one is do not just talk with customer. Next, give customers a reason to participate. Listen to and join the conversation outside company's website. Resist the temptation to sell, instead attract. Do not control only conversation. Find marketing technologies and embrace instant messaging and chatting. Next is about market segmentation. Market segmentation is the subdividing of a market into distinct subsets of customers according to needs and buying habits. There are three important of market segmentation. First is strategies such as market development, product development, market penetration, and diversification require increased sales through new markets and products. Next, market segmentation allows a firm to operate with limited resources because mass production, mass distribution, and mass advertising are not required. And the last one is market segmentation decision directly affect marketing mix variables. And the next slide will be presented by Nadia.
Okay, I'm going to explain about product positioning and perceptual mapping. Product positioning, sometimes called perceptual mapping, entails developing schematic representations that reflect how products or services compare to those of the competitors on dimension most important to success in the industry. Product positioning is widely used for deciding how to meet the needs and wants of particular consumers groups. The technique can be summarized in 5 steps. First one, select key criteria that effectively differentiate product or services in the industry. Second one, diagram a two-dimensional product positioning map with specific criteria on each axis. And the third, plot major competitors' products or services in the resultant four quadrant matrix. And four, identify area in the positioning map where the company's product or services could be most competitive in the given target market. Look for function areas. And the last, develop a marketing plan to position the company's product or services appropriately. Strategy, finance, or accounting issue. 5 important finance or accounting activities central to strategy implementation. First one, acquire needed capital to implement strategy. And second one, develop projected financial statement. And the third, determine the firm's value in the events or an offer is received. And four, decide whether to go to public with IPO. Last, decide whether to keep cash offsite that was earned offshore. Strategy, finance, or accounting issue. Several finance or accounting concepts central to strategy implementation are acquiring needed capital, developing projected financial statements, preparing financial budgets, and evaluate the worth of a business. Some examples of these decisions that might require finance and accounting policies are: first, to raise capital with short-term debt, long-term debt, preferred stock, or common stock. Second one, to lease or buy fixed assets. Third, to determine an appropriate dividend payout ratio. Four, to use last in, first out, or market value accounting approach. And five, to extend the time of accounts receivable. Six, to establish a certain percentage discount on account with a specific period of time. Last one, to determine the amount of cash that should be kept on hand. Next slide will be explained by Ami.
Next is EPS or EBIT analysis, acquire needed for capital. Earning per share or earning before interest and taxes analysis is the most widely used technique for determining whether debt, stock, or a combination of the two is the best alternative for raising capital to implement strategies. This technique involves an examination of the impact that debt versus stock financing has on EPS under various expectations of EBIT, given specific recommendation. The purpose of this EPS or EBIT analysis is to determine whether all debt, stock, or some combination of debt and stock yields the highest EPS values for the firm. Next. Projected financial statements. Projected financial statement analysis is a technique that allows an organization to examine the expected result of strategies being implemented. This analysis can be used to forecast the impact of various implementation decisions, and most financial institutions require at least 3 years of projected financial statements whenever a business seeks capital. A projected income statement and balance sheet allows an organization to compute projected financial ratios under various scenarios. Next. Strategic research and development issues. This R&D purpose is to emphasize product or process improvements, to stress basic or applied resources, to be a leader of flower in R&D, to develop robotic or use manual type processes, to spend a high average or low amount of money or R&D, to perform R&D within the firm, contract R&D to outside firm, and to use university researches or private sector researches. The last is strategic management information system issues. These MES issues must be the most important factor in differentiating successful from unsuccessful firm, and a good information system can allow firm to reduce costs. Okay, back to moderator.
Okay, maybe that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.